Ethereum has just blasted through our support zone as it showed no signs of strength whatsoever when it reached it. In today's video, we'll deep dive into the latest price action and explore what this breakup means for Ethereum. We're going to answer some burning questions like, is this the new beginning of a new bearish trend? And most importantly, what levels should we watch next? Join us as we analyze the charts, discuss expert opinions, and share our expectations for Ethereum's future. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. So welcome back, guys. As we can see, Ethereum, like I said before, blasted through our support zone, and this was basically shown in the charts as we did not see any kind of strength whatsoever when we reached the zone. If we zoom in, we can see how it looks basically. So we had Wednesday was a red day, Thursday was a red day, Friday was a red day. So we had 3 consecutive days of bearish price action which went straight through our zone. If you remember from the last video, I said that I wanted to see some kind of strength before entering a trade. So if price would have come down, started to switch market structure and started to become more bullish, then I would look for a trade. But I saw no such thing, so I sat on my hands and waited for lower. So what happened? Yeah, we came right through our zone. If I just pull up the fixed range tool in the earlier consolidation that we had, this was the main case for this zone. We had a point of control in a consolidation that was like at, let me see, 3084, and we blasted straight through it. Instead, price kept on dropping and came all the way down to hit these bottoms and grab the liquidity off of them. So we can see almost precisely we made a swing failure pattern off of this low and got a bounce of about 10% approximately. So what's the key takeaways from this? Ethereum has blasted through support, and according to me, this is a bear sign. If we look earlier, when we topped out, we came down and made a low, and then we made a lower high. This is bearish price action. So what can we expect going forward now? We've had our initial bounce, and now we want to see Ethereum to start climbing. But I'm looking mostly for short opportunities now. This is the thing about trading. You need to be quick in your bias always. Just read the charts for what it is. Don't have any opinions whatsoever. And always try to follow the trend. So the zones that I have identified is, first of all, I pulled a fixed range off of this large consolidation from this high down to this low. If I pull on the fixed range tool, it looks like this. We see that we have our point of control at 3,525, which is up in the middle. I think this coincides perfectly with this top that we see here, where we topped out. So this top, if I mark it up, there we have it. So I'm expecting some kind of swing failure pattern type of trade if we start to climb up here. So first of all, we want to reclaim the value area low of the range. If we reclaim this zone, I expect price to start climbing up all the way to here to find some type of resistance. So these are 2 different confluences. We have our point of control. We also have our swing high over here for a potential swing failure pattern where we'll grab the liquidity and move downwards. Apart from that, we also have another confluence here. We have the CM pocket right at this zone. So it's from this top down to this low, a fib pull, and we see that the CM pocket is also right in this zone. So we have 3 different confluences here, and something that is also worth mentioning is this trend line that we can see. Now we're far from it. So one scenario could be that we come up, we break the trend line, all the people waiting for this trend line to be broken will become bullish and think that we made a breakout. So breakout traders will jump inside here. Bigger players will wait here to short these breakout traders, to go against them basically, and to wreck them all, and we keep on dropping. So this is the main scenario that I'm looking at now. Currently, I'm more leaned bearish on Ethereum in the near future. So I would like to see some kind of rejection when we come up here for a day trade, not really a swing trade, but more of a day trade. Yeah, a day type of trade basically. Because we can't forget that we still are located inside this channel against Bitcoin. So Ethereum still has not broken this channel. We're inside it at the bottom of the channel, which is bearish. I mean bullish, sorry about that. So as long as we keep on seeing price action inside this channel, I would like to see Ethereum move upwards against Bitcoin, that is. Against dollar, it's another story. So we have this beautiful zone marked out that I will highlight for you guys now. Let's highlight it here. Let's do it like that. Go bearish zone. And I can hide all the TA that I added onto here. So this is a zone that I'm looking for to see some kind of rejection. So if we start to climb up, I would like to see a swing failure type of trade, and we start to break structure. And this is where I want to enter the trade. So that is what I'm looking at when it comes to Ethereum. Like I said, as soon as we broke this key zone, it was a sign of weakness. So a relief rally up to this zone would be perfect for continuation. And always wait for confirmation. Look for the market structure change on lower time frames before entering a trade to make sure that your risk reward is good. And yeah, don't be the first one to jump the gun. Wait for the price action to switch before you basically enter a trade. These are my tips. So a trade would look something like this. Let me see if I can find short position. Stop loss above these highs. And I would target the bottom of the channel. So 3.86 risk reward. But first of all, again, we'd like to see the trend change. And then we enter a trade. Put the stop loss above these highs. And look for lower. So those are my plans for Ethereum going forward. So I'm more leaning into a bearish type of trade, a short. Should not forget that we're at the bottom of the channel. So I expect Ethereum to climb up from here, but this is a prime zone for some kind of rejection. Okay? If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and also turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And I would like to thank you guys for checking in. This was a quick one also, and I will keep on posting updates along with my colleagues Anton and Chris. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.